Hi everyone. So here for the solving recursion problems, we had four methods. So this is subtree method. In this method, the problem statement is W of n. This one. From this, we need to build subtree. So if statement is like this, so we can say like cost is n square. In if W of n is this much, then W of n by 2, with the place of n, we are applying n by 2. So we are getting n by 4 n by 2 the whole square. So we are saying size at this level is n by 4 and the cost is n by 2 the whole square. So for the second level n by 2, we have n by 2 the whole square and n by 2 the whole square, and the problem is getting divided into 2 n by 2 it is. And again when we divide it to 4 terms n by 4, we have the cost like n by 4 the whole square. If we apply n by 4 here, we'll get this one. So once we form the tree, we can say like in the level 0, in the top, this one is level 0. Level 0, we have one node and the cost is n square. In the level 1, we have two nodes and the one node cost is n by 2 the whole square. The total cost is n by 2 the whole square plus n by 2 the whole square, which is n square by 2. Likewise, in the level 2, and then for every level of I, the node count is like 2 power I. So here 2 power 0 is 1, 2 power 1 is 2, 2 power 2 is 4. So node count is 2 power 1 I. And cost count is like n by 2 power I the whole square. For example, level 0, it is 2 power 0 is 1. So n square we had. Level 1, I is 1. So n by 2 the whole square was the cost. So total cost at each level we got is n square by 2 power I. For example, in the level 2, if we apply I as 2, n square by 4, we got it, right? So we can derive till this point. Then we need to find when the size will reach 1. So for that, like size is n by 2 power I. When if it is equal to 1, then n equal to power I. If we take log both the sides, log n equals log 2 power 2 the base 2 power I. So when if some log is like this, we can write it as I alone. So log n equal to I. Till now we have, so first we need to at every level what was the size, what was the cost, sum of the cost at that level, everything we have found. Finally we are saying when the size number of nodes, the size of the node n by 2 power I will reach to 1, that is also we have found. Now the levels we should write like I will be from 0 to 1 to log n minus 1. We have got log n here and we are starting from 0, so it will reach to log n minus 1. I equal to I start from 0 to log n minus 1. So sum of the all the level I is equal to I equals 0 to log n minus 1, n square divided by 2 power I is the cost, sum of all level cost. So leaves, uh, so Sar said, like you just remember this like a formula. When we wanted to find the total cost, we need to write this plus sum of all the level cost plus the leaf node cost. So leaf node cost will be 2 power I. In the leaves we'll have 2 power I leaves. So if any other problem it will give us like 3 power I leaves, then we should add like 3 power I here. So we know I is log n, which we found here. So 2 power I here, 2 power log n. So 2 power log 2 base n is equal to n only, and then we have this if we can write like I equals 0 to log n minus 1, this is less than or equal to I equals 0 to infinity. When we apply sum till infinity, definitely this until log n minus 1 will be less than the until infinity values. So we are telling like less than or equal, because if for I equal to 0 to infinity we have some common formula. So if we take n square common, 1 by 2 power I will be there. If we expand like I equal to 0 means 1 by 2. If we expand like I equal to 1 by 2 and I equal to 1 means it will be 1 by 4, 1 by 2 means 2, 1 by 4, 1. So the formula is like 1 by r, 1 plus r squared is the formula here. So we have r as 1 by 2. So if some mathematical some formulas like this, then we can write like sum of the this series is 1 by 1 minus r. So 1 by 1 minus 1 by 2, which is 1 minus 1 by 2 will be 1 by 2 in the down. When it comes the top, it will be 2. So sum of I equal to 0 to infinity 1 by 2 power whole power I. This formula is becoming 2. So this is 2n square and this is in the form of order of n. So at final we have concluding W of n equal to 2n square based on the subtree method. The cost will be 2n square. So here first step is we need to build the tree, and at each level what are the cost, what is the size we need to identify, then when the size will reach to 1 that we need to identify, and then uh, from there we can say like I equal to 0 to that value, uh, the sum of the cost of I level equal to n by n squared divided by 2i, and then we can say like this cost will be less than or equal to I equal to 0 to infinity sum, and then if it is I equal 0 to infinity formula, we can find some mathematical series. For that we have general formula. So when we apply this here, we will get 2n square. uh, yeah, so we have one more problem in our note. Please try the same method for that note so that we can understand that problem. Yeah, thank you.